Hi guys, I'm Ritvia. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in pharmacy from NMIMS Mumbai. We all know about this pandemic caused by the coronavirus, and major countries like Italy, US, UK, France, India, and so many more have called for a national lockdown. So, what is a lockdown? Let's talk about it. A lockdown is basically an emergency protocol wherein you're restricted to a particular area. During this time, only essential services like groceries, hospital, etc. is available, and places like malls, theaters, schools, and colleges are all shut. The best way to prevent and slow down the transmission of the COVID 19 is to know about the disease and how it is spread. To protect yourself and others around you, you should definitely wash your hands with soap and water or an alcohol based rub frequently. You should also try to not touch your face. This disease is caused by droplets from your saliva or discharge from your nose, which is why it is very important for you to practice basic respiratory etiquette. For example, sneezing in your elbow instead of your palms. Another way to prevent the spread of this disease is social distancing. Social distancing basically helps limit contact from an infected person. A lot of details are out about the coronavirus disease, but not a lot is being spoken about how it's going to affect a student's life. So, to get your real life information, I spoke to some of my friends from various streams like science, arts, commerce. Some people have their classes online. Some of them have their exams cancelled or postponed, while the rest of them have no news as to what next. All of them had one topic they definitely didn't forget to mention, which is mental health. So let's see how this lockdown can go a positive way or a negative way based on the decisions that the students make.
Let's talk about the negative scenarios first. Here we see how the boy chose to stay up late night and found it very difficult to wake up in the morning, affecting his sleep schedule. According to Sleep Foundation organization, excess screen time, especially late evening or night, has a detrimental impact on sleep. There are various other elements which can also affect our sleep schedule. Lack of schedule due to no school or colleges has definitely affected our sleep schedule. The lockdown has reduced our working hours tremendously. Usually half of the day we're in college, but now in this situation we are at home the entire day, which reduces our working hours and traveling as well, and all in all together we don't seem to get tired throughout the day. All of this in turn would affect our sleep schedule. Blue light, which is emitted from our electronics like TV, laptop, mobile, etc., causes a reduction in the melatonin production, which is required for sleep. Some studies also show that oversleeping can make a person feel irritated, groggy, and unfocused. This brings us to our second point, which is procrastination. As mentioned earlier, oversleeping can make people lose focus easily, and here we see how an individual can do so many things to make it a productive day, but due to procrastination, she chooses to binge watch the entire day. This increases the screen time and in turn also affects the sleep schedule. Some people might even feel bad about procrastinating at night, which would affect their mental health. Sometimes we might have a lot of assignments to complete, but we might think it's okay to leave the work for later because we have a lot of time on our hands due to the lockdown. Environment plays a huge factor when it comes to productivity. Usually, when you are in your study environment, you can complete your assignments or study way quicker as compared to completing it on your sofa or bed. Speaking about couch, let's talk about physical activity, which has decreased a lot during this lockdown, wherein we are not allowed to move out of our houses. With the gyms and gardens being shut, movement has reduced to zero, and even if a person may not be a regular workout person, the traveling can suffice for a little bit of a movement. All of this would in turn affect our health and can also affect our immunity. Many a times a student might even sit to study, but due to everybody being in the house, there can be many disturbances. For example, your siblings shouting or fighting, your mother calling you for some help, etc. Being in a closed environment during such time does not help ease our anxiety. Some of us have also started binge eating a lot of junk food, which would in turn harm our health and immunity. Clubbing all of these points together, a lot of us are unsure as to what's going to happen next. We know the coronavirus is a novel virus and not much is known to the human beings. Many of us are worried about our exams, internships. Finally, our students are worried about their placements or admissions abroad, etc. Decisions are still being made on the same, making us way more anxious. Worrying about catching the virus just adds up to all of this and increases our stress, affecting our mental health and sleep. Now, let's talk about the positive scenarios of the lockdown. Some of us have finally taken time out for extracurricular activities. Before this lockdown, our schedules were pretty hectic, and now that we have so much time on our hands, we can do all the activities that we always wanted to. Various online sessions for Zumba, dance, yoga, home workout are being conducted by professionals, and this would help us increase our physical activity during this lockdown. Some of us have used this time and picked up a book that we've always wanted to read or haven't completed. This would help build our knowledge and vocabulary for exams like GRE, IELTS, TOEFL, etc. Some of us have also started taking online classes or attending online seminars, which would not only increase our knowledge but also help building our resume. A lot of us have also discovered new skills, while some of us have gone back to brush up on our old ones. A few of us are helping our mothers in basic household work and spending as much time with family as we can, which was earlier not possible because of everybody being so busy in their own lives. We're also relying on various video calling platforms to stay connected with our friends and family, which helps us feeling fresh and release anxiety and stress.
All in all, a lockdown can affect a student's life in many different ways. It's up to us how we use the time.